अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
20th Rabi'ul Awwal, Urus Mubarak of Mufti Azam Hazrat Mufti Muhammad Waqaruddin Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. Hazrat Mufti Muhammad Waqaruddin Qadri Razvi Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh was born on the 14th of Safarul Muzaffar in 1333 Hijri, corresponding to the 1st of January 1915 AC in Pilibet, Hind. He received his primary education and training in Pilibet, Hind. Thereafter, he engaged in the completion of Dawra Hadith in the Holy Scholastic Company of Hazrat Sadrul Sharia Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh in Dadum village of Aligarh. He had the honor to take the oath of allegiance, that is the bay'at, to Hujjat al-Islam, Hazrat Allama Hamid Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. He further had the honor of being delegated to the Khilafat, that is the spiritual vice-regency, by Mufti Azam Hind, Hazrat Allama Mustafa Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. The name of Muhaddith Azam Pakistan, Maulana Sardar Ahmad Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, is famous amongst his teachers. Furthermore, Allama Abdul Mustafa Al-Azhari and Faqih Zaman, the famous jurist, Mufti Muhammad Khalil Khan Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhima, are his contemporaries. He carried out his teaching responsibilities and fulfilled the requirements of his office to his best abilities throughout his life. His scholastic work of judicial acumen on fiqh, namely Maqarul Fatawa, is a treasure and is itself a tribute to his work. He trained and prepared a class of glorious scholars. Hazrat Mufti Muhammad Waqaruddin Qadri Razvi Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh passed away on Saturday, the 20th of Rabi'ul Awwal in 1413 Hijri, corresponding to the 19th of September in 1993 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Darul Ulum Amjadiyya, Babul Madina, Karachi, Pakistan. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।